Now this is the IO module, and this, you see, this is connecting the this FP 200 loop, and here we are connecting this by this wire. We are connecting the fire relay of the gas panel. We put this module in the NO mode, and here in the fire relay it is connected to the NO COM. Now we will trigger the zone to check the address of the module in the fire alarm panel.
Okay. Now we check it too. Check it.
Here like this, in this panel you can see that the module you connect it with the panel has address, and you can see on this panel the fire.